Hey everyone, it's Robin, and you're watching The Robin's Nest. Today on my channel, I have a super fun cake planned for you guys. We are going to make a Day of the Dead themed cake, and we're going to decorate that with sugar skulls, red roses, and lots of pretty colors. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alright, so to begin, we're going to start off by leveling each one of our layers one by one. And once we finish that, we're going to fill each of those layers with some homemade strawberry buttercream icing. And once we're finished that, we're going to get these off into the fridge to chill for a little bit and firm those layers up. And when we come back, we'll start our crumb coat. So before I start filling my layers, I just wanted to show you my homemade strawberry icing. Now I started with my standard buttercream icing, and I went a little bit light on the milk. Then I made a strawberry reduction on the stovetop, I chilled that, and then I added about 4 tablespoons of that into my buttercream and mixed it all up. Now it was a little bit runny in consistency, so I added a little bit of icing sugar just to stiffen it up since we're going to be using it as a filling. Okay, so we put our cakes to chill for a bit, but they're going to take a little while to firm up. So in the meantime, we're going to start working on our sugar skulls. So I'm going to start that by rolling out a little bit of fondant, then we're going to cut out the shape of the skull, and then we're going to paint the pattern on. Now that we've finished painting our skulls, we can complete our crumb coat. So we've completed our crumb coat, and now it's time to do our base coat. And once we completed that, we're going to put that in the freezer for a little bit so it can set and firm up, so that way it should be a lot easier for us to work with when it's time to stack our cakes. Okay, while we're waiting for our cakes to firm up again, I'm going to go ahead and make some leaves to go with these roses that I've already made. If you're curious on how to make your own, you can pop on over to my YouTube channel and check out my tutorial over there. So I'm going to use these little stampers, and we're going to cut some of these out. Now that our cake is finally firmed up, we're ready to stack. But the first thing we're going to do is put some supports in our bottom tier to support the weight of our top tier. And I'm going to use these bamboo skewers to do that. So we're going to do that by sticking them in, measuring them off, snipping them, and we're going to do that to a few of them and put them in a circle all around the center. Alright, so we got our cake stacked and we have all of our supports in place, so it shouldn't shift around when we're transporting it. So the next thing that we have to do is to start putting on some of our decorations, so we know where we're going to put our piping work. Well, here's my hand-painted and hand-piped Day of the Dead cake. Really hope you guys all liked the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that bell. And if you're interested in any of the tools that I used during my video, I'll leave a link down in the description box below for all you guys. Until next time, see you later.